Let's take a look at instant carts now. And instant carts, the idea of them is that you can set up personal ones, you can set up shared instant cart sets, and basically they allow you to instantly play any piece of audio that you've got on your audio wall. So let's set up, at the moment we've got our personal set called P's set. We can rename that one if we want to by right clicking on it and choosing rename. So we could just call this one Dry Sweepers. And so these are our personal ones, so these are for our logging, because we're logged in as P squared at the moment. So these will only come up on my login. We've got some music ones and we've got some sweepers ones there in shared. So I'm going to make up an instant cart sheet of a couple of dry sweepers. So here are our dry sweepers. So left click and drag over to the instant carts tab, and then we can drop it here on number 1. If we wanted to, we could bring up the cart browser here, and we've actually got carts 2, 3, and 4. Left click and drag those over. 3 and 4. And so that's the carts button here, brings up a little mini browser, or we can just go to the audio wall like we did before and just drag them in. So we've dragged in our instant carts here. We've got 4 instant carts. And so the benefit is that while we're playing this song down at the bottom here, so let's do that now. We open the faders, playing this song here, cart player number 1, and we've configured instant carts to play from any available cart player, the lowest one, starting off at 1 and going up. So it will play from number cart player 2. We'll re-cue that. And so we've got our numbers here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we want number 3 to play, we just hit number 3 on the keyboard.
Radio 24/7. This is Hot FM.
So, just allows us to drag over the top and play over the top of a song with anything straight away. No dragging and dropping required. We just hit a number. These instant carts are also available on the audio wall. If you go up to the view menu, you can go to view display instant carts. Then it brings up the instant carts over here on the right hand side, and click here and we've got our personal one called Dry Sweepers. We've also got the music and sweepers here. So again, it allows us to play our song down at the bottom here. And then we can just choose one here. Say we want number 4.
Now, here comes Hot FM. Radio 24/7.
We could actually just hit 3 as well.
Radio 24/7. This is Hot FM.
So they are our instant carts. When we've got them on the view here, on the audio wall, makes them even easier to drag onto. So we can just left click, drag. We could grab some music here because we can use it for music as well if we wanted to. And then that way, if we just move along, find one of our nicely non-copyrighted songs, and we can drag that one down. That's now in number 9. So if I hit number 9, there's nothing in cart player 1. So that's where it's going to start playing from. So that's our instant carts here. We'll eject that one. You don't have to have them instant. If you don't want your instant carts instant, you can just right click on them here and it will queue them up into the first available cart player. So again, if we had something already in here and we right clicked on that, it loaded it into cart player 3. That's what we mean when we say the lowest available cart player. So these don't need to be instant. They'll be instant if you just left click on them.
Hot FM.
So the moment that you just
This is Hot FM.
it will do it. But if you do right mouse button, it will queue them up. So left for play instant, right for queue up. You can as well left click and drag like you can do normally down into a cart player as well. So switching between the sets, if we go up here and we go to sweepers, and we actually stick some sweepers in here, then we can. So we're in the sweepers page. If we just go back to dry sweepers, if we click on number, if we click on number 9 now, then it's going to play our song. we can change over here, go to sweepers here, and now if we click number 4,
Today from 3, the UK
then it's going to play
Hot
our
10.
promo. And so you can just switch around there, and whichever one is up, the numbers here revert to what it is on the keyboard. You've got 1 to 10 and 11 to 20. If you want that big screen again, go back to Instant Carts, and here it shows you what you've got. In here, it allows you to clear off carts, so if you don't want those anymore, just click on the clear, then click on the number 1 and just say yes to the dialogue. If you keep it on clear, then you can just go through all of them here and just keep on clicking until you're happy. Or alternatively, you can just drag something new onto them as you wish. So you can just go back here, go back to Instant Carts, and just drag over the top. So if we didn't want that in the next 30 minutes again, then we could just drag over to Instant Carts, drag it over the top, and now it's our sports bed. So that is the Instant Carts here on the system. We can add new ones down at the bottom. Click new and type in this one. So we can just say this is a test one. We can click on the shared, and we can do an add set here and new shared. And now we've got a new shared list. And we've also got our personal ones up here. Click on details to enable us to rename the Instant Cart list, or we can go on test here, click down there, and that will delete our Instant Cart set, and we just go back to our personal one of dry sweepers. So that is Instant Carts. Really, really handy, really, really useful. From those Instant Carts, you could basically use Instant Carts as a shopping list of songs that you're going to play. That's one of the ways of doing it. You have also a customize option. At the moment, if we were to hit the number 2 button here,
Hot FM.
and we hit it twice by mistake, you can see it actually played 2 out at the same time. We can customize that so that it will actually just restart. So to do that, we can go to Tools, Customize Myriad, and then we've got an option here. In Other Options, we can scroll down, and Instant Carts here, Instant Cart Options, restart playing Instant Carts if triggered again. So if we click on OK on that, it now means that if we do number 2, and we just keep on hitting number 2,
Hot FM.
you can just see it just goes over and over again rather than playing it from loads of different cart players. So that is a little function within the Customize window of Myriad Playout.